let's try some dynamic subtraction. Subtraction is when we pull numbers apart. We take one part off and we see how many are left. When we do dynamic subtraction, we will need to make some exchanges. If you counted with me in the videos last week, you noticed that I exchanged every time I got to a group of 10 units. I exchanged for a 10 bar. Or when I counted with the pennies, every time I got to 10 pennies, I exchanged for a dime. Our number system works with groups of 10 that way. And for dynamic subtraction, just like for dynamic addition, we need to make exchanges. Let's try. Let's start by making the first number, 591. So I'm going to need 5 hundreds, 9 tens, and 1 unit. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Now 9 tens, or 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 1 unit. 1. Now, this is the number we are going to pull apart. We're going to take this amount away. So we need to take 2 hundreds, 7 tens, and 4 units. But we also have to start on the units. Do you see what I see? We only have 1 unit here. How can I take 4 units away from 1? I can't. I only have 1. So when we subtract, sometimes we have to exchange the other way. Because I don't have enough units here to subtract from, but I don't want to just go get some more because that will change the number. I need to find a way to make more units from what I already have. So I'm going to need to take from the tens. So I take one group of 10 and I trade it in for 10 units. 1, 2, I already had that one, so we're not going to count it with mine. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one more makes 11. Now wait, this isn't 90 anymore, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many is 8 tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I need 80 here. And this isn't 1 unit anymore. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So now I have, oh, you can't see it. I'll scoot them down. There, now you can see them. Now I have 11. I can take 4 away from 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I have this many left. Let's see how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I have 7 units here. Now I have 80 here, and I need to take 70 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I only have 1 left. 1 group of 10. Up here I have 5 hundreds, and I need to take 2 hundreds away. 100, 2 hundredths. So this is how many I have left. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 hundredths. I have 1 10, and I have 7 units. That means 591 minus 274 equals 317. Now I can check this to see if I'm right by just doing it the opposite way, by putting the numbers back together. So if I scoot all this down, I'm going to take my 591 and put it down here at the bottom. You'll be able to see it in a moment. And I'm going to scoot up 274, 200s, 7 10s, 4 units. And I'm going to scoot up 317. I'm going to change this to a plus because we're going to put it back together. 300s, 110, 7 units. And if we did our subtraction right, when we add back up, we'll get the number we started with, 591. Let's see. We always start here with the units. So I'm going to take these units and these units. One stuck to my hand. And now they're put together. I'm going to take these 10s and this 10. They're put together. I'm going to take these hundreds and these hundreds. They're put together. And I should have to exchange because I had to exchange when I subtracted. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to exchange those 10, leave that 1. And that extra 10 goes right in the 10s column. Okay. So I do have 1. Gotta be careful with those units. They can roll away easily. All right. Now let's see how many 10s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, we almost don't have enough room. 9 units. Or 9 10s, not 9 units, Miss Sharon. Units are here. 10s are here. This clearly has 10 units in it. 9 10s, 1 unit. Let's see how many hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. That means we did it right. We ended up with the number we started with, 591. So we learned that 591 minus 274 equals 317. Thank you for subtracting with me today.